Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete all Facebook posts in one click on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write in the comments whether my solution helped you or not. Watch this video till the end. Let's get started. We're going to go to Facebook. We're going to open up our profile. We have 3 dots here. Activity log. Scroll down a little bit. Click your activity across Facebook. Here we find posts. We can click Manage Posts, or just Posts, or open Additional and here find your posts, photo, video, and so on. Here we have all our posts that we have on the page. As you can see, I have very few of them. Just one. But if you have a lot of them here, and you need to delete all the posts, you immediately click here, you have all the posts highlighted. You click Trash and click Move to Trash and delete. This is a simple, easy way to do it. Write in the comments whether my solution helped you. Did you get if you do it this way? Who liked this video, write comments. Leave likes. Thank you all for watching. Share this video with your friends. Goodbye.